They called it the Montagu Pass. Used to go up there. Too dangerous. That it ended up being too dangerous. People fell off of the cliffs and stuff like that with their wagons and stuff. So. Interesting.
It says it's open.
I wonder what it is. Well, I know it's a building, but I mean, what do they do here?
Open
Pancakes,
for pancakes
and coffee. You feel like a pancake and coffee?
I actually do.
So let's do that. There's your friend. I'll stop close to your friend. Witfontein is.
It's called the Tollhuis. Maybe it was some kind of
Toll road?
maybe?
Yeah.
For wagons.
For wagons back in the day. Look at that. We had a huge breakfast, but we must stop here to have pancakes and coffee. Looks like a little museum.
Hier is die ou tolhuis. Basies en hierdie is alles dis so semi-museum vir my binne. Wat 'n tolhuis waar die tolmeester gebly wat tol gevra het hier op die Montague Pass. Die tolhuis het nou al 2 keer afgebrand.
Hierdie een?
Ja.
Hoi.
Die laaste was in 2018 en toe het hy basies soos dit gelyk. Maar daar's 'n skildery van hoe hy gelyk het basies nadat hy afgebrand.
Het hy 'n grasdak gehad?
Nee, hy het 'n sinkdak gehad.
O, okay.
En wat is dit? 1911 dink ek.
Het hy ook toe afgebrand?
Het hy afgebrand en toe het hulle die grasdak vervang met 'n sinkdak.
Okay.
Dan word hy 'n korrel. So cool.
Sien as jy net 'n kondens maak, dan kan ek hier so los hulle. Die kondens maak en dan net hierdie. Ek sê hy koffie vir jou uitbring.
Daar.
Of ek kan vir jou uitbring ook. Maak nie saak nie, ek kan hom my koffie sê, koffie en 'n bietjie uitbring. Mag tog langs al alles.
Ek vat die koffie saam met my, hoor.
Ja, 100%.
Toll. They paid toll, yeah, for the wagons and stuff that went over the pass. But the original pass, there's a slight. I'm going to try and point with my finger. If you see over there, there's that indentation. That used to be the old. They called it the Montagu Pass. Used to go up there. Too dangerous. That it ended up being too dangerous. People fell off of the cliffs and stuff like that with their wagons and stuff. So they closed it and they made this new pass. Pancakes on the Montague Pass with this view.
The toll house.
Amazing. I love it. They had, when this place burnt down in 2018, and they had someone come and do the stonework.
And restored it.
Restored it, yeah. We just left the toll house. It was an interesting experience. The history, the antiques that they've got inside there, and then our host was very interesting.
Completely
Hardus, eh?
Hardus.
Hardus.
Completely self-sufficient guy.
Yeah.
Built his own house on a farm.
And he made us our pancakes, as you saw, and a nice coffee, typical old Afrikaner coffee he made us, called moerkoffie, which was actually quite nice. So this is where we come in. That's where it went up to the Montagu Pass. Okay, now I know where we are. So let's head to our accommodation. So this is where we're staying for the evening in George. What an amazing little spot we have discovered. Look at this. Fantastic. Look, we've got a nice little braai here. Over the edge. It reminds me of like at the Damhuis. Let's go inside. Our bedroom. Our bathroom. Just a little fridge over there. And the sink here. Wow, pretty dark. There we go.
How cute
He's
is
cute,
he?
We've come to an end of a long day again, and I'd like to say thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video.